guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we'll be making this Mandalorian helmet from a 3D print. So I guess let's get right into it. We gotta print off the pieces, so let's do it right. Hey guys, so I just got all the pieces printed off, as you can see. I didn't assemble any of them except for this one. You can see I glued together already. So let's assemble them now. So guys, I got it all finished up, as you can see. I got it all glued together. The only thing is, it has this huge gap right there, which I'm gonna have to just fill in with Bondo. But my plan is to Bondo up all the seams and then filler primer the rest of it. But first I'm going to connect it better. So let's go do it. Hey guys, so now that we have it all finished up, you get a soldering iron. You're gonna turn it on, and with the heat from the needle at the end, you're gonna want to basically weld all the lines together. So, yep, let's do that now. Hey guys, so I just finished up soldering. As you can see, the little lines in here now. See a good one right there. Sorry, it's not focusing. But I did that all across all the seams, just to make sure that it holds in place better. And now, you wanna get some Bondo glazing and spot putty, and just a rubber glove. And we're gonna go off over all the seams. You can see a big one right here, so we'll just put some Bondo over that and they'll fill that up. So let's do it. So I forgot to tell you guys the step, but as soon as you have the Bondo over the seams, you wanna sand it down using just some sandpaper, just to kind of, because before it would be a little bit puffy and whatever from you rubbing it down, but now it should be a little bit flatter. So I'm gonna keep sandpapering a little bit and then get back to you guys. So I just got it all sanded down, and now I'm gonna use this 2-in-1 filler and sandable Rust-Oleum primer, and I'm gonna put that all over here, and it should close up the cracks, or not the cracks, but the lines from printing and the sandpaper lines. So let's do it. So as you can see, I got the filler on there, and yeah, turned out pretty good. So now this is all dried by now. I'm gonna use this flat black, and paint the entire thing black. So let's do it. Painted black. Next, I'm gonna tape it up using this. So I've got some thinner painter's tape, some thicker. I might need to get some more of this before we finish it. And I've got this paper, which is just like normal printer paper. And I use that to cover the bits, like large amounts, that I don't want to get paint on it, and I just tape around the edges. Just makes it easier rather than having to use like big tape for all of this, you know? So, I'm gonna tape this bit around here of the eyes so that I'm gonna paint it gold. So, let's do it. So this is the cover I did for it. You can see I put tape here, and this is the paper. If you're wondering why it looks like he's got a nice hat, it's because I had to cover all of this, and this is just the easiest way rather than setting it all down on that. I can just do a nice little crown around it. And then if you go around the helmet, you can see all the different ways I've done it. Mostly just paper covering everything up. And then down here, you can see. But anyways, the part that's still black is going to be painted this gold, metallic, Rust-Oleum. So, yeah, let's do it. All right, guys, it just dried. You can see the gold here and his nice hat. You can see the gold over there. That's why I had to cover it up, especially down here. So now it's time to unwrap all of this. So I got it unwrapped, as you can see. We got the black up here, which looks very nice. And the gold, there's a few marks like around here that you can see where it's a weird like little cut from the tape. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. There are a few marks like, as there you can see right there. I'll probably just go over it with some black paint or something like that and just cover those up. But now it's time to install this Hobart face shield. If you go back to my Clone Trooper, my Commander Bly helmet, you'll be able to see really how I do this. But for this one, I don't have enough of it left to do the whole thing, as you can see, as I did with the Commander Bly helmet. So I'm gonna have to do this in 2 pieces. So let's do it. Hey guys, so we have completed another 3D printed helmet. So I think it turned out really nice. I still need to do some work on the ears with that little bit that's still white. And I think I'm gonna do some weathering, but that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, hope you guys like the build. Hope you guys will try it out too. If you were wondering where the files are from, if I didn't say it before, they're on Thingiverse, just a Mandalorian helmet. But yeah, I think it turned out really nice. Can't wait to display it. Can't wait to wear it some more. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.